Hi, welcome you all for this online session on accounting basics or basis on accounting. My name is Raja, Chartered Accountant and Company Secretary, practicing Chartered Accountant, as well as to the faculty in various forum related to accounting subject. This session is going to be done for approximately 12 hours to 15 hours. As I have received the request from n number of students to have this particular session. It is a long plan, thinking, and it's become into reality. Before going to the session, we will understand. Of course, this is online session. Either you will be watching this session through pen drive mode or Google Drive mode. So, before going to this session, to whom this session is going to be helpful, or who must go through this session? That will be, first doubts. Of course, you can inform to your friends also if they comes in the following category. I will split into three categories. Category number 1, the students who is from non-commerce background, that is science background or maths background, who have not studied accounting, commerce, law in their 11th 12th standard, and now they wants to pursue accounts. It means that professional courses. Being in India, there are so many professional courses: CA, Chartered Accountant, CS, Company Secretary, CMA, Cost Management Accountant, and ACCA UK also. It's become quite familiar and famous in India now. So, the students who have not gone through accounts, law, commerce in their 11th 12th standard, but they wants to pursue professional courses. Sir, is that type of students are there? Yes, and many number of students are there right now. Many number of students, not few students and all. Many number of students are there who studied the 11th 12th medium in the science background, and people tried for MBBS. They did not get a seat. The next option is CA. Or there are some students are there without going to other career like engineer and all, they are coming to the CA and other professional courses also, because nowadays every parents and every students are able to understand that this is one of the reputed professional comparing with other professional also. In the older days, the people who go for science or maths group, they will be brilliant. The people or the students who takes accounts or history, they will be below average. That was a mindset once upon. But nowadays, school first children also, they prefer accounts rather than science and maths, because the trend have been completely changed, because there very well awareness have been created about these professional courses. So, category 1, science students, for them it will be very much useful, because when they comes to foundation of these professional courses, it will be little complicated to them to catch up the concept when comparing with the commerce background students, because in CA foundation or CMA foundation, all different types of the students will be sitting in the classroom, like commerce, non-commerce. Commerce students will be easily catching up the points when it was discussed by the faculty, but the commerce science students will feel little difficulties to catch up the concept in the initial days only. Don't think that immediately, this course is not suitable for non-commerce students. Answer is no. 100 students are there, assume that 100 students are there. Out of 100, 60 students from science background, 40 students alone is from commerce background. The trend have been completely changed. The second category of the students who have taken Okay, 11th 12th leave max is there, but I feel that I am not confident with the concepts. See, 11th 12th preparation and the other things would have been only with respect to examination point of view. By knowing the concept or without knowing the concept itself, you would have been got 200 out of 200, 100 out of 100. But when you are coming to these professional courses, concepts are remain very important. You must know the concepts. Okay, so 11th 12th commerce, but I am not strong. I would like to do professional courses. You have to choose this basics of accounting. Category number 3, people either from commerce or non-commerce background have gone through to the colleges like BCom, BE, MBA, whatever the case may be. When they comes to professional courses, even though they know the concept they learned in 11th, 12th or BCom, okay, we felt that those kids feels difficult to compete it with the kids who is doing CA as a mainstream or CMA as a mainstream, because CA or CMA or CS, whatever the course, at the foundation level, whatever the syllabus which they have, okay, that is one side, and BCom is another side. Okay, so at the foundation level, the kids going through this syllabus, the same syllabus only, almost more or less same syllabus, but the kid who is doing that foundation, they are going through that syllabus strongly, clearly, with concept. When it comes to BCom or any other degree, they also might be going through the same syllabus, or other than commerce might be a different subject. Even BCom kids, which they are going to the same foundation syllabus in their college days, but with respect to theoretically they are going on learning the subject and passing the BCom exam also. They were not strong with concept. This is the things which we were identified in a number of batches with our students also. So, to conclude this introduction, this course is going to be suitable to non-commerce students who is getting into the professional courses. Next, commerce students who is getting into the professional courses, but they feel that I am not conceptually clear with accounts. Next, we will call direct entry students. It means that the student who is going to colleges, after completing their colleges, they are planning to come to professional courses. Yes, they must attend this online accounting basics or basis of accounting session. So now with this discussion, let me move forward with the session which I am going to handle it for you. This session, as I told you, it is going to come 12 to 15 hours. This session is completely going to be concept based discussion. Even though the heading which I have given as accounting or basis and other links, I am not the first one is introduction. Introduction means in the first chapter or the first session, I am going to discuss for minimum 1.5 hours time. I am not going to discuss anything about our accounts in that 1.5 hours time, because when you are learning something, you must know why these concepts are there, where we are using this concept, because of this concept, what is the benefit to me and to the nation. Once you know why it's there, what is the purpose, what is the benefit, then that will create certain type of interest among the students or within you. That interest will take you to the next level. Why? Because when you are coming to these professional courses, the subject which you are going to learn now, accounting, is going to be there till your end of the course, of course, till your end of last minute of life. Without accounts, nothing is possible. The people pays tax, etc., this, that, everything is, for everything, the base is accounts. And I like to confirm you one more thing. In this session, based on the students' request which I received from many students, I am going to be handle this session with a mixed up with English and Tamil. If anyone can't understand Tamil, I am not going to use completely Tamil. 70% will be English, 30% will be Tamil for the benefit of the Mafsal students. But if you want completely in English, please contact Academy number. We will arrange separately for those students also, because the students who is from Kerala, Bangalore and Andhra also, they will ask sometime classes, because I was a faculty in every place, so I have students everywhere. So at that particular time, if you want specifically, please contact an Academy number which is going on the screen. We will arrange separate session for them. Okay, now so chapter 1 lapa completely I am going to discuss about the basis concept. What is accounts, what is law, what is tax, what is the linking between law and tax subject, and primary India business பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா என்னென்ன மாதிரி business பண்ணலாம், எவ்வளோ different types எப்படி இருக்கா entities, PAN cardனா என்ன. So this type of discussion only I am going to have it in introduction. I hope you can able to see the screen. Simultaneously take a notes also. Simultaneously it takes a notes also. Once each and every session gets over, even though the classes is going to be in online or pen drive mode, make sure that you are going to do the assignments also. We'll try to give assignment also. So after completing this 10 to 15 hours of time, you should be strong. You must have a strong knowledge and confident about this particular subject. That is our vision. Even if you have doubt after this session or in between when you are watching this session, you can contact to Academy number. Otherwise, I will give you my number also. You can contact me for any queries. So நான் சொல்ல அப்பப்போ எழுதிக்கங்க. Here 10 points or 9 points alone I would have been written initially. After that I am going to write it everything separately. Introduction, chapter number 1, that is going to be for next 1.5 hours. Important definition. In the important definition which I am going to discuss is what is debit, what is credit, then what is capital expenditure, what is revenue nature. This type of terms I will be discussing on that. டைரெக்டாக ரூலுக்கெல்லாம் போகல, டைரெக்டாக ஃபினான்ஷியல் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் போனால் புரியாது, எதுக்கு இருக்குது ஏன் இருக்குன்னு தெரிஞ்சுட்டு உனக்கே ஒரு இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் க்ரியேட் ஆனதுக்கப்புறம் தான் வி மஸ்ட் கோ இன் டு தேட். கோல்டன் அக்கௌண்டிங் ரூல்ஸ், திஸ் இஸ் ரூல்ஸ் ஆஃப் அக்கௌண்டிங். ஓகே, கோல்டன் அக்கௌண்டிங் ரூல்ஸ். ஓகே, there are 3 different rules are there. We will be discussing about the rules, but most probably in the future session. Then what is financial statement, component of financial statement. Financial statement la enna irukudhu, what is the different types of financial statement, because as I discussed with you, different nature of entities is possible in India. If I want to do business as a sole proprietorship, I want to do it by myself, then I can do it. That is called sole proprietorship. I can join with others and I can do the business. That's called partnership firm. Like that, different natures are there. For different each and every natures, how the financial statement is getting differ, we will be discussing. Introduction to accounting standards, law versus accounting, practical approach, then role of financial professional. This is 10 different topics which I am going to discuss. Okay, you can kindly take a notes. Introduction, important definition, golden accounting rules, financial statement, component of financial statement, different types of financial statement, introduction to accounting standard. Here slightly I may interchange the topic. Law versus accounting, practical approach, roles of financial profession. Okay, So as I told you, these are the 10 topic. Okay, I am going to discuss. I may not be in the same order, but here and there I will be covering these 10 different topic. Okay.